it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and happy Sunday. So I wanted to go over the printable coupons that are available for you guys starting today on coupons.com and check our Savings Star accounts, see what any new rebates we may have. I also want to give you guys an update on that instant coupon that is printing for everyone at the Coupon Center for the spend 30, get $10 off. So the way that instant coupon reads, it says spend $30, get $10 off select Maybelline and L'Oreal products. So the wording is odd because the other items that were included was the Garnier was included, the Garnier skincare was included. So the way that it reads may give us issues at checkout, so I will keep you guys updated when I do my haul. The L'Oreal facial care is included in that deal, and I did get some good CRTs for that, so I may switch it up today. I will let you guys know in my CVS haul video. So let's check out what printable coupons that are available. They always have the Gerber coupons available for you guys. What else? Eucerin, $2 off one is still available. There are spend 20, get $10 extra buck at CVS for Eucerin products. So I would definitely print those out if you guys have any lotion CRTs or anything like that that you guys could use to make that a really, really great deal. Scrubbing Bubbles, 50 cents off of one toilet bowl cleaner. Left Field Farms creamer, I've never actually seen that, but $1.25 off, that's something new. Fiber One protein, 50 cents on two. $3 off of Slim Fast when you buy two. So just make sure you guys are always reading the fine print on those, because sometimes it's off of one, it's off of two, just kind of depends. Fancy Feast, save $1 on 6 3-ounce cans. And this one is save $1.50 on 30 3-ounce cans. So this one would obviously be a little bit of a better deal on that. A lot of cat food deals. $2 off Clearasil. $2 off Cat Chow. Zyrtec, $4 off. Then we have this awesome 3 off of 2 L'Oreal Paris. So I already clipped it. I'm definitely going to print that out in my inserts today. We did get the Revlon and Almay in my region. Of course, I did not get those hair care coupons. So if your region is the same and you want to do those deals today, this would still be a great coupon to use. $3 off of 2. $1 off one for the whole blends. Always good to print. $2 off one for the L'Oreal Paris Ever shampoo and conditioner. That is part of that deal as well, so you guys can print that. $2 on L'Oreal Paris Face Cosmetics. Definitely print that. $3 off Aleve. There is, now this is the Aleve Liquid Gels, 20 counts or larger. Still a good one to print. There is an Aleve deal at CVS, I believe, this week. $2 off L'Oreal Paris Skincare. This is part of that spend 30, save $10 deal. So definitely going to print that one. $2 off Maybelline New York lip product. Definitely print that one. There is a deal, buy two, get a $5 extra buck at CVS this week for Maybelline. So I'm going to be picking up the single eyeshadows because they're $4.19, so they're cheaper. But if you wanted to grab these, use this coupon. That would be a great deal as well on some lip products. What else? Okay, and that is all for the printable coupons that are available. These all says limit reach, so can't print those. Hopefully you guys were able to print some of those. The Arm & Hammer, there are some good deals going on for those, especially at Dollar General and Family Dollar. So now let's check our Savings Star account. Fingers crossed we're able to get some rebates on the Robitussin or the Advil or the Dimetap. Usually when they have that deal going on at Walgreens, buy two, get a $3 register reward. Usually we'll get a Savings Star rebate as well, which always makes them money makers. So this is my account. I'm already logged in. So if you see the check mark, that means I've already activated that rebate. So you want to make sure that you activate the rebate if it's something you guys plan on buying. So you have to activate it before you purchase it. A lot of your accounts are linked, So that's how Saving Star works. When you type in your phone number to link your account when you check out, then Saving Star gets the information and you get the money back. So one of the, a couple of the new items is all these Simple products that showed up the other day. So make sure you guys add those. Hopefully we'll get a great deal on some Simple products. Double Caramel Magnum. Those look amazing. I don't think I've ever tried them actually. So let's go ahead and add that. Voss flavored sparkling bottles, $1 when you buy 2. If you guys have use that product, drink that product, that'd be something good to add. Ferrero Rocher Golden Signature, $1 back when you buy 1. Gavalia at Home Pour Over. Oh, those are pretty cool. I've used those before. Great for camping. All the Cremo products, there were checkout 51 rebates as well, but those have all been used. A lot of Cremo products we've been seeing in clearance at CVS and Walgreens, so make sure you guys check your clearance section. So you may wind up getting them for free or super, super cheap if they're on clearance and you're getting a $2 rebate back. $1.50 back on Green Giant frozen cauliflower pizza. Never tried that. If you guys have tried that, drop a comment below. Let me know. I'm always down to try different. I tried to make a cauliflower pizza once. It turned out awful. Absolutely awful. So maybe that one would taste better. $1 back when you buy 2 Ricola. Folgers, we have $1 back. Country Crock expires today. So if you guys are picking up any Country Crock butter or anything, I actually need some. So I'm probably going to try to do that today before it expires. And Belvita, $1 back when you buy 2. So those are all of the coupons and rebates we have available. Make sure you guys check your Fetch rewards. My account is showing 20% cash back on in points, obviously, on Scott products, 9 to 14 rolls. And then I have another separate reward for Scott products, 6 rolls or 4 to 6 rolls, I believe. So make sure you guys double check. There are some great paper product deals going on this week at CVS and Walgreens. So make sure you guys are always scanning that receipt to Fetch rewards so you guys can get your points back. My link is always listed in the description box for my referral code for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for my Sunday haul.